Where have I been this year, you might be wondering? Well, for starters, I fired my management, worked on a business for more than half the year, only for an old man to steal it from me. My business partner and developer left. My physical and mental health is declining. And now I'm just trying to pick up all the pieces. Honestly, this year has been insane. I'm so glad it's coming to an end. I'm so glad it's December. December is one of my favorite months. There's so much that I could talk about and that I need to vent about. I just don't know if this video is the one. You know what I mean? I am in bed. I need to get up. I mean, I've been up all day. I've been working. I just sat down for a second, but we have so much to discuss. This house needs to be decorated. I have been putting it off. I don't even know why. Well, actually, I was working on this other business for most of the year that I wasn't talking much about, and it took up all my time. I was working like a dog on this business. That's not happening anymore. So I kind of put off doing anything in this house, but I realize now that I can't function when the walls are white. It's something in me. If you've been here, you know that I have to instantly transform any space that I'm in, and I just haven't. So this room, like, it's as white as they come. Like, white walls. I started making a mock-up of what I want the room to look and feel like. Someone needs to tell me why lime wash is $500. By the way, I was thinking, oh, lime wash this room. I've never done that before. The joke's on me because lime wash is $500 to do this room. I was looking at Portola paints. Oh my gosh, I look like James Charles. No, I can't unsee it now. Anyways, it was gonna be almost $500 just to do this room. Still, that's crazy. So I saw some girlies doing like DIY lime wash. We need to ignore this. I need to wash my hair. I saw some girls doing DIY lime wash just with regular paint, and I thought, well, why not? How hard could it be? So I'm gonna try that instead. That's for another time. I'm just like running you through my thoughts for the day. I also decided a couple days ago, like today is December 1st. I decided a couple days ago that I wanted to do Glossmas for the app. And the idea that I came up with literally on Saturday, today's Monday, Saturday afternoon, I decided I should drop a new feature or preset every day in December, like Vlogmas, but Glossmas. Yes, this idea came to me 2 days ago. Yes, my new developer has to think I'm completely insane. But I did it. I've actually been teaching myself how to code, and it's been really fun. Also really hard. So different from the coding that I'm used to, but I'm learning and just building a really cool team. So I'm really, really excited. I've like had a horrible year when it comes to business stuff. It's been really bad. Like in the moments that these things were happening to me, I was like so close to giving up, just logging off the internet and being like, you know what, I'm going full stay-at-home mom vibe. I don't want to work anymore. Let's move to the middle of nowhere and live off the land, like trenches, okay? But now I feel really good. I'm glad. Now I can see like why things had to happen, at least when it comes to the app, and I feel really, really good. So I'm happy about that. I'm so excited for Glossmas. Hold on, let me get cozy. I was asking on the Gloss Instagram, like, what are your favorite presets that used to be like just available as presets, not in the app, that you want in the app? And I saved what everybody said, and I've been going through and trying to convert them over to the app. I'll show you some things that I've made though. Just ignore Jace's poster. This is Suburbia, a new film roll. This is No Vacancy. This is Sleaze, and I know I have one more. Did Muse come out already? I think it did. I love making these little film rolls. I'm missing one called After Hours. Oh, cute. This is the little book I made this morning to post and let everybody know Glossmas is here, baby. That's what's up right now. I have over half of Glossmas done already, so it's like December 1st, and I have half of it done already in the app, ready to release. And that feels insane because I came up with the idea 2 days ago. Not even fully 2 days ago, like a day and a half ago, and that's how hard I worked on that. So I'm just feeling back to my old self. That felt really good for me to get that done. I also am feeling like that end of year rebrand that I always want to do, and it's when I get to December and I'm like, okay, I need to rebrand my entire life in order to start the year off right. And I don't know why I do that. It must be mental illness. It also feels fun and refreshing, so gotta do this room. My mom bought new flooring for the house. We have carpet in this room right now, and we have carpet in the closet, carpet up the stairs, and just with dogs and baby, it's already ruined. We also had like a little incident in the closet with flooding, and I don't want that to get moldy and then us all be sick. So my mom got some flooring that I'm gonna try and install myself. I did it in my office before. It seems a little daunting to do a big room, but I'm gonna try it because again, it's hard. Like, I'm sure I could figure it out. Boys do it. Also, this clip that you're seeing now is filmed after all of the other clips that you're gonna see, because I realized like I never said anything in the beginning that was like of any substance. I was just doing stuff. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the vlog. I'm not doing Vlogmas this year because I think I would die, but I am trying to return and dip my toes back into the YouTube universe, so I hope you'll have me. That's it, baby. I'm gonna clean this room, and in the next vlog we're gonna change this situation in here. Tonight it's a little mom's night out. Me and my friend Megs are going to see Tate McRae. Her mother-in-law like won tickets or something at the casino, so we're going. We never do anything. It's so past my bedtime. It's 7 p.m. It's dark as can be, like it's pitch black out. This time change has me messed up. It's disgusting. I think the concert's already starting, and Megs just texted me, let me get shoes in a bag. Same girl, because I've been sitting in her front yard just trying to film a TikTok of my lip combo. Get Stoned, like the Rhinestone brand, is Megs, and she has these lip balms. They're like super glittery. You're not gonna be able to see it here. Like my camera won't do it justice. Maybe. It makes your lips look so glittery. I'm wearing the shade Throb. Let me just turn my flash, hold on. Going to a concert, first of all, something I don't even enjoy anymore. My chronic illness has taken that from me. Me and Jace went and saw Blink-182, and I had to wear earplugs, because if I don't wear earplugs, I sound geriatric right now. If I don't wear earplugs, I feel like I'm dying. I don't know how to explain it other than it sounds like robots have taken over my brain and everything sounds like it's going through a tin can. And my body also feels like I got hit by a bus, and I don't even really drink. Like when we go out, I get a ginger ale, so. Hi, Mommy.
Find anything.
No?
I was like, where the fuck's my deodorant?
As a vlogging light, by the way.
Oh, period. I should charge my... Hello, everybody.
I was just saying how we don't do anything and now we're going out.
Oh no, I was literally like, mom's night out.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Dude, let me tell you what I've done to my hair. A couple months ago, I was like, you know what? I want to go back to my natural color. I want to match Sunny. Also, just know I'm sitting in my car in the Ulta parking lot because I feel like I'm gonna have a panic attack for some reason. And I need it to go away, so. Anyways, I wanted my hair to be like Sunny's color, which is my natural hair color, like a dirty blonde, like level 7, 8 blonde. I told my hairdresser, and she's like, she has to be so sick of me at this point. She's like, we're just gonna go low and slow, because she's like brought my hair back from the dead. My hair used to be like here. So I did a color remover, and then we highlighted it. I've never really done highlights in my hair before, but anyways, it turned out really pretty, and I liked it for like two minutes. And I was like, okay, I want to bleach it all. Like, it either needs to be platinum or it needs to be dark. I just get so bored so fast with my natural hair color, and my hairstylist tried to tell me. She's like, you don't like your natural hair color, so what are you even talking about? But I never listened to anybody. So here we are. So anyways, we do that. It looks good. She did a really good job. And immediately I get home, and the next day is like my luteal phase begins, and I'm like, I need to change my hair. So I dyed the blonde part pink, which was fine. Then I left on a trip during the summer, so I ended up getting red hair dye, like a coppery orange color, not like a semi-permanent, but like a permanent, like orangey red cowboy copper. and I put that on. It didn't do enough for me. It was still too boring. So I went and got semi-permanent because I was like, it needs to be more vibrant. So I went and got semi-permanent. I put that over it, and that made it more vibrant, but then I felt like a little too Hot Topic-y, if that makes sense, and was like, I don't like it. So I'm like, I either need to commit or I just have to dye it back dark. And I know you obviously know where this story is headed, but I put like a bright orangey yellow on this side, and this was like red orange. So I thought I was cooking with that, and now when I look at pictures of it, I'm like, it wasn't bad, it looked cute, but in the moment I was like, this has to go. So what I did was I dyed this back to dark, and I tried to bleach out. Oh, one thing I didn't mention is when she did the highlights to try to lighten my hair, she did like a root tap so it would blend, and so that left a band after I had already like tried to bleach this again, bleach my roots. So you can kind of see it somewhere here. There's like a little bit of a band. And keep in mind, I'm doing this myself at home. And my poor hairstylist, I text her. She's like a close friend of mine too, and I text her and I'm like, this is what's going on. She's like, whatever you do, do not dye it back dark. And I'm like, I have something to tell you. And that brings me to this. The orange wouldn't fully come out, so then I put pink on it. You can still kind of see some pink in here. My hair is fried. This blonde side specifically, well, first, when we tried to lighten it and do highlights, the highlights started like breaking off, like the ends, and I have so much hair, like I can afford to lose hair. It's so thick, but even down here now I have like these little, I don't know if you're gonna be, oh, you can kind of see it. I have these little wispies that are just like so short. So basically anywhere that we highlighted has just like started breaking off. I'm like, I don't want my hair to be broken again. So that was part of the deciding factor too. But anyways, this bleach side is holding on for dear life right now. I think I need to chop it, like do an actual chop. One thing's for sure is I'm not gonna try to go blonde again. Why I feel so panicky today. Also, could I be more leopard print? Look at my shoes. I did not even notice that. This is humiliating. Quick haul from Ulta. I was in there for so long. Tell me why. I walked in and immediately knocked something over, like caused a big scene. This is Saint Germain. They were out of stock though because that pink milky lip thing is going viral on TikTok. Restocked my Oak lip liner and saw this one. It's called Beige Turner. If I don't like it, I'm taking it back. I am not afraid of a return. It looks warm. Then I got Oyster Girl lip gloss. This is like an old favorite, the early 2000s girlies now. Has like a little bit of a shimmer. Got a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Hollywood Vixen. These are all the MAC reds right here, like Ruby Woo and Russian Red. The Charlotte Tilbury one. I've always been more of a Lady Danger, or what's the other one? Is it Russian Red? Yeah, I've never really been a Ruby Woo girl from MAC. This one, the darker one. Hello, I can't see. This one right here is Russian Red, and this is Lady Danger. And I would use like a dark, probably like cherry, or even, is it chestnut lip liner? Anyways, well, I don't need to swatch this because I already did, but yeah, that one looks really nice. I really like the Gwen Stefani red lipstick from her brand. I don't even know if they're still a brand anymore. Also, I need to wipe this off my hand. Actually, I should take a picture and post to my story first. After like not posting or like being consistent online in years and then trying to be again, it's so, it's not hard, but I just like don't remember. I don't know why I did this, but I ordered the POV, you know, the Michaela's brand. She did lip kits and she put out like a super nude lip kit, and I was like, oh my gosh, this might be the answer to all my problems. But I also ordered, when she first launched her brand, I ordered the lip balm because I just can never have too many lip balms, and I hate the formula. And her lip kits that she put out is that formula, I think. So I don't even know why I ordered it. And I haven't even got it in the mail yet and I'm regretting. Okay, let's go home. I look like a wet dog. It is pouring rain outside. It never rains here. It's also like, what time is it? It's noon and it's so dark in the house. My hair, dude, I need to bleach again. I have to bleach it. We were trying to go out for a girls' day. I can't handle this. I had this all curled and cute. Who's stomping the boots? Oh my goodness, look at these boots. The little hunters, they're pink and glittery. We were going out today for a girls' day. Have you ever tried undoing or like setting up the Vista stroller in the rain while it's pouring rain? That thing is like 40 pounds and so confusing. I don't know if I'm stupid or what. Me and Sunny both struggling and crying out in the rain in the mall parking lot this morning. I have a headache. And all my nails came off last night when I was cooking dinner because when I cook, have you ever seen the TikToks that's talking about OCD and washing your hands? And they always show like under the water just doing this for like a second every time you touch something. That's me. So it like soaked my nails off because I was doing too much. Sunny, get out of the dog food. Give to mommy, please. Come here. She eats the dog food all the time. It's like her favorite snack. Baby, mommy's gonna make us something to eat. You want a little egg? Like breakfast hash or something because I'm starving, I have a headache and I need to take an ibuprofen. Okay, Jace has Sunny for a little bit, so I think I'm gonna bleach my roots. The root has to go. I'm tired of it. And say a prayer for my ends. Oh, do I have any K18? Please. Yes, I do. Yes. I hope my hairstylist doesn't see this.